Three functions: built-in machine, Elight handle, Nd Yag laser handle, and bipolar radio frequency. Okay, the back of the machine. From the left side, foot pedal controlling, water infusion. The left one for wind, water overflow. Okay, the right one for draining water. Before we running the machine, we need to fulfill water from infusion water connector. After infusion water, we need to keep the vent open. Okay. 你转，朝我这儿转，哎。Okay. The keys, left keys for Nd Yag laser handle, the right keys for Elight handle. The first screen for a logo. We can add your logo on this screen controller. Welcome screen. The main functions. The left one for OPT Elight, right one for radio frequency. Okay. For example, the left one here, removal. There are totally 3 different folders. We can set 3 different parameters for 3 different skin color. The first one for white skin color. The second one for middle skin color. The third one for deep skin. Okay. For example, we make treatment with the first one. In the middle, from the left side, 400 milliseconds is the radio frequency working time on skin. 400 milliseconds, the radio frequency energy level from 1 to 20. Energy level from 1 to 20. Energy level, radio frequency energy level from 1 to 20. Okay. In the middle, for the middle number 3. 3 pulse. 3 pulse, it means for 3 pulse, for example, we set from 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Normally we set this meter from 3 or 4. That's enough for a pulse. It means that one shot has 3 pulses. The third parameter is from 1 to 5. It is shot spacing time. The first shot to the second shot, the spacing time is 1 second. Okay. On the right upper corner, the first folders for white skin. For example, the first pulse, according to square pulse energy after pulled, we need to set the first pulse lower. The second pulse is here. Third pulse should be here. So we need to set parameters from low to here. Okay. Now we can set IPL energy from 3 joule. The bulb now is standby. The battery inside the machine battery recharge the power source in the handle. The water cup for water circulation. The temperature is the machine real temperature. It will go up according to working time of the machine. The cooling level from 1 to 5. Normally we need to set full level of energy. Radio frequency we can set around 3 or 4. IPL energy we can set from lower, for example 3 or 4. Okay. After pressing ready button, the bulb is lighted. Okay. Now for the handles. Come here. Okay. The filter handle. Now we are making treatment for hair removal. The filter should be 640 nanometer. Okay. There's a edge. 怎么说? Okay. Insert the filter into handle. Pressing ready button. On the screen, the bulb is lighted. Now show us the handle tip. The lamp is lighted inside. Filter is 640 nanometer. Light should be red. The color is red. Okay, press the button. Hold on. Okay, hold on. And the level, the new handle. Inside the new handle, the lamp has hair pressure. So we need to set hair level, for example, 10. Yes. Maybe using several thousand shots, the energy level should be start from 3 or 4. Now new lamp should be start treatment from middle, for example 10 or 50. Okay, now press handle button to make a shots. 不好，是的，20。Okay. Okay. This is the function for hair removal. Normal IPL function for hair removal. Standby. Okay. OPT-SHR function. The pass wide is millisecond from 1 to 10. It means the intense pass light working on skin surface time. Normally we can set around 5. Pass number from 1 to 10. Normally we can set around 3 or 4. Okay. The IPL energy from 1 to 50. For new handle, we can start from 5. Cooling level from 1 to 5. Set full cooling level. Okay. Now press ready and making shots. Okay. 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 Go back to main function. Radio frequency, facial and body, different treatment on facial and body. For facial treatment, we need to start lower level. Energy level from 1 to 15 for facial treatment. Frequency from 1 to 5. Set the highest frequency at 5. Okay. Turn on or cooling level. When we pressing the cooling level, the radio frequency handle has a indicator from low to high. Okay, now show us the radio frequency handle. The radio frequency handle has totally 3 different handle tip. The smaller one diameter is 20 mm. Middle size is 28 mm. The diameter for the biggest one is 35 mm. Okay, now we can see there's a red indicator on handle. After pressing ready button, we can keep pressing the handle button. So the green light keeps on. It indicates there's energy output. After finishing the treatment, we need to press standby and go back to main screen. Okay, go back main screen. The body, make treatment for body. Same frequency level from 1 to 5. The energy level from 1 to 30. Normally we can start treatment from 5. Okay. Cooling level, work and full. Okay. Okay. After pressing ready button, same like facial treatment. Okay. Go back to main screen. Okay. Okay, now we will show you another Elight handle. Another Elight handle is the filter handle. Filter handle 拿起来。Filter handle 这儿呢。Filter handle, this one, filter handle. The filter handle is a smaller spot size. It is 8 plus 40 mm. Smaller spot size, we are using short lamp. The lamp imported from United Kingdom. The bigger spot size, we are using longer lamp. The lamp is made in China. Okay. That's all. Thank you.